Ooh.
He licked my knee.
Just let him sniff.
He gets a little pushy, and it's okay.
Hi, Bagel. Hi, sweetheart.
Okay, now we definitely need to get cows.
Yes.
This one is belly. This is what on his belly. This is little duck.
Oh, baby.
It's a gigantic puppy. Oh, there we go. Can I feel like a cat's tongue? Good morning. Hey, Riker, I'm gonna teach you something. Do this. Step. Are you bend your knees? Step like this. Keep your hands in. Yeah. But you gotta keep your hands together like this. Yeah.
Hi, baby. I know. It's okay. I know, baby. Nope. Oh my goodness. Oh. Holy, these are growing so much. Blueberries are looking good, and the raspberries. How about the other gardens? Wow, these are huge. So exciting. Oh, there's a flower on the strawberry plant. My goodness. No, Rocky. No, don't eat those strawberries.
It's finally starting to bud.
Where?
Above.
Oh, way up there. Oh, that's so exciting. I found some lilac tree recipes, like for the flowers that we can try.
You did?
Yeah, there's jam and yep, lilac jam, lilac juice. Here's
Lilac juice sounds good.
There's a few other ones. Did you know that the dandelion is actually very healthy for you? And you can use the entire thing to make several different things. You can make tea out of the leaves. You can also make tea out of the flower. You can make, I believe it's tea out of the root also. But you can also wash the flower tops and then dry them out. They don't have to be crunchy dry, just dry them out and then soak them in oh my gosh, extra virgin olive oil, and it infuses the olive oil and it has a lot of really good health benefits. It hasn't rained in a few days, even though this video has been taking over a month because we had rain for 3 straight weeks. Now we are getting nothing. So just letting these guys soak up through the roots. They've taken really well. I was really worried. This one here is not doing super well, but the other 3 are doing really well. This really didn't take long at all. This little one is definitely done. These 2 are partially done. However, this one is a bigger tree, so it's going to take a bit longer. Okay, this one is done now.
I separated them, so like over here could be like grassy and like hidey. Yeah. And then I made over here more clear, and they just have like sticks to climb on, like that one.
Where are the animals? Oh, right there. Where are the other ones?
Right there. Look at that one's opening up.
What? Is there any other ones?
There's poop.
Ew. Any other ones?
Yep. Over here.
Oh.
Over here.
Ew. Good job. Aw, cute. Okay, so Sierra has picked some dandelions like we were talking about earlier. And what are we gonna make with this one? I don't remember what you said.
We're gonna make honey with this one.
Okay. Do we have the ingredients for it?
Yeah, all you need is water and sugar.
Okay, let's do it. So we have to soak them first to get the bugs off them?
Yeah, and we can't soak them for too long or else all the color will go away. So then I need to strain them.
That's a good idea. Uh-oh.
Bye-bye. I think that's good. And now we need to take all of like the petals off.
Like
And
the
we-
green things?
Yeah,
Oh, so take the petals off the green stems?
yeah, and we're not allowed to use any of the green.
So you just want the yellow?
Yep, only yellow.
first garden bed made out of completely scrap wood. Don't mind that spot over there. Or that spot. I'm so excited. Now we're gonna fill it up. Get some compost, some sticks, and cardboard. Let's do this. Okay. First layer in the garden is cardboard. I found this on the side of the road the other night. It's huge. And then next, I'm going to get this cardboard. I get the dog food delivered, so they come in really big Amazon boxes. So next, Okay, now we gotta get the dirt and the sticks. Helping?
Yeah.
Got a good pile here.